Hi, my name is Chloe Vandermeer, and I'm part of the Digital Marketing Communications program here at St. Lawrence College. Today we're going to show you what a day in the life of our agency looks like. We're currently working on our creative briefs for our clients. Come on in.
All right, this week we're going to be working on creative brief development on behalf of our clients. Everyone will be participating in the development of the creative brief, but specifically we're going to be calling on our project managers, our creative directors, and our IMC planners.
As the project manager, I'm essentially the team leader, so I'm in charge of making sure everybody knows what they're doing and when it's due by, and I'm the main point of contact between our client and our team.
As the IMC planner, my job is to work collaboratively with creative directors in order to plan IMC strategy and activities in order to best meet the client goals.
As the creative director, I oversee the conceptualization of the overall creative strategy for our marketing plan and elements such as graphics, ads, and videos.
That was just a quick look at the agency portion of our program, which all wraps up in a final presentation to our client.